Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Muhimgul. I'm a doctor. This is Dr.sharkqueen. On this channel, I will share useful and practical medical content with you. Especially, I will show you how to perform intramuscular injections correctly and safely. I will also explain common mistakes that people make and how to avoid them. My goal is to make medical knowledge simple, clear, and understandable for everyone. I believe that correct information can help people stay safe and take better care of their health. In my videos, you will see step-by-step demonstrations, helpful tips, and real practical techniques. I will try to explain everything in an easy way so that you can understand without difficulty. Please remember, injections should always be done according to a doctor's recommendation and under proper guidance. Don't try to perform medical procedures without enough knowledge or supervision, okay? If you are interested in learning more about medical procedures and improving your knowledge, this channel is for you. Stay with me and I will continue to share useful and interesting medical content. Thank you for your support.